Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today, let's see the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 18th of October 2021. First, let us look at the Nifty chart and mark the important supports and resistance. We'll mark the previous day high here. This is PDH and this is PDL. And there's a Virgin CPR on 14th of October. I think it is not necessary because morning SGX Nifty was indicating higher, that is gap up opening, so it is not necessary to mark the Virgin CPR. And looking for some other resistance and supports, as market closed all time high, there is no swing high and other supports and resistance. So let's play the candles now. Even today market opened with a gap up of 100 points. It opened with a big red candle. This red candle opened above R3 and closed below R3. It is a very big red candle. If we go short here at the close of this red candle, look at the target. Target is very small, whereas look at the stop loss. If you keep the stop loss above this pivot, also you cannot achieve the risk reward of 1:2 R. So there is no trade at this point. So no trade at first candle. Looking for the next opportunity, I could see an opportunity, that is shorting opportunity at the close of this red candle. Why I'm saying is, this big red candle came down and again it went up market, touched the top of this red candle and it reversed. So one can go short at this close of this red candle, keeping the stop loss at this pivot and target at 2R. Let me mark the entry and exit here. So you can go for an entry at this point, and you can place your stop loss at the pivot, because top of the candle placing a stop loss will be too big, so placing stop loss at the pivot is normal, and you can keep your target 2R at this point. And market came down, hit the target and gave us a profit of 2R in this trade. Then looking for the next opportunity, one can go short on this red candle. See, this again market came down here and went up to the first 1 hour high. Let me mark the first 1 hour high. Initial balance high, and this is initial balance low. This is first 1 hour high and low. Look here, the market again went up to the first 1 hour high and got reversed from there. So one can go short at this point. As per our strategy, they can go for an entry here, and place the stop loss here. This is actually the strategy what I'm telling you, which I am following, and you can place the target at 2 hours next pivot somewhere here. to our target, almost somewhere here at this point. But what happened, market slightly came down and went up, took the stop loss. So this trade is a failure trade. So today in Nifty there was two trade. One trade gave us a profit of 2R and other trade gave us a loss of 1R. So in total we made a profit of 1R in Nifty. Next, let's look on to the Bank Nifty chart. Even Bank Nifty is trading at all time high, so there is no other support other than previous day high and low. So let me mark the previous day high here and previous day low. So these are the support and resistance. Let me play the candles now. Bank Nifty opened gap up of nearly 370 points and it opened with a red candle. This red candle opened above R1 and closed above R1. So we cannot go for a short entry here because there is a support at R1. So there is no trade at the first candle. Then looking for the next opportunity, we can go short at this red candle, but when you look at the stop loss at the top of this candle, your target will be too big and even stop loss is also too big. So I won't prefer to go for a short trade here. If this pivot is slightly near the top of this red candle, I would go short at this point and keep the stop loss at the pivot, but this pivot is very close to the close of this red candle, so the risk reward ratio will be a problem here. So I will not prefer to go short trade here. Then looking for the other opportunity, the market went up and came down and touched the first candle low, almost at the first candle low, and started reversing. One could go for a long entry at this green candle. You can also see a green candle here, but this is not a bullish sign because look at the wick. The wick on the top is bigger than the wick at the bottom, so this is not a exactly bullish candle. But look at this green candle, it is a big green candle, so you can go for a long entry at this candle. You can make the entry here. Entry here and place your stop loss at the pivot. Sorry, at the pivot, and your target will be 2R. As per our strategy, we can place a target at the swing high, that is at this point. You can also place a target, but I prefer always to go for 2R as my target. It is the safest one for me. So the market came up and hit our target and gave us a good profit of 2R here in this first trade. Looking for the next opportunity, let us mark the first 1 hour high and low first before looking for the other opportunity. This is initial balance high and this is initial balance low. Look, The market gradually went up and touched the first 1 hour high, that is IBH, and broke this green candle, broke the IBH and closed above IBH. What novice traders will do here is they will go for a long entry and keep the stop loss below the candle. But what I will do here is I will wait for some retracement, because breakout at all time high is a low probability trade. Because look at the CPR, how big is the CPR, how wide. So when you have a wide CPR, there is always a chance of sideways day, so there is a chance of reversal. So I will wait for a retracement or a reversal. Same way, when after this green candle there was a red candle which came inside IBH and closed below that, so I will go for a short entry at this point. This is the entry. I'll keep the stop loss above this green candle and place my target somewhere here, 2R. And market came down in another 4 candles and hit our target and gave us a profit of 2R here. So as per our strategy in Bank Nifty, there were 2 trades which gave us a profit of 4R in total. So in Nifty we had 2 trades, which is a one profitable trade, one loss trade. So total we made a profit of 1R in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty we had 2 trade and both the trade gave us a profit of 2R each. So total 4R. In total we made a profit of 5R today. So if your capital is 1 lakh, in Nifty you might have made a profit of 1% on ROI, return on investment. And same way in Bank Nifty you might have made a profit of 4% on your investment. So in total 5% ROI you made a profit today. That's all about today's end of the day chart analysis. Meet you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.